Hello, Shell families. Welcome to January's Virtual Star Student Assembly. We want to make sure we take time to recognize our students for the hard work that they're doing to make good choices and demonstrate outstanding character no matter the situation. If we could recognize our students in person at assembly, we would, but since that's not possible at this time, we want to recognize them virtually. We feel it is important to recognize strong character as it is to recognize academic achievement because we know that good, strong character is essential in success in life. Our character trait for the month of January were honesty and integrity. Honesty and integrity are absolutely essential for success in life, all areas of life. The really good news is that anyone can develop both honesty and integrity. That was a quote by Zig Ziglar. To be honest at all times can be a real struggle for all of us as human beings. It's not easy to tell the truth when it means admitting to our mistakes, but in the end, it makes us a better person and the kind that others know that they can always count on. We were looking for students who exemplified honesty and integrity in all that they did each and every day. So let's find out who our January STAR students are. Our first STAR student is from Mrs. Cook's third grade class. To be honest is one thing, but to have integrity is another. I nominated this student for this month's Virtual Star Student because she does nothing more than her best and is truthful. If she isn't able to complete her work, she will tell you. If she makes a mistake, she will own to that too. She will continue growing to be sure that what she does is her best and that it brings a smile to others' faces. She continues to amaze me with how much integrity she brings to the Google Meets and her virtual academics. Even if it is virtual, she comes with the utmost respect towards her peers and strives to achieve her best by coming to more than one Google Meet a day. She is a pure joy to have in the classroom, and I can tell others enjoy her pleasant personality too. Congratulations, your honesty and integrity are well deserved as you receive this award for the 2021 COVID Year of Learning. Congratulations to Kendall Donovan. Our next STAR student is from Miss Kennedy's third grade classroom. Being honest isn't always easy, especially when you've lost your paper or you haven't turned in an assignment. Owning your mistake and working to fix the mistake is what this student does. She tells when she needs a new paper and works hard to get it finished to the best of her ability. She is a hard worker. Keep up the great work. Congratulations to Alexis Skinner. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Martin's third grade classroom. This STAR student is a dedicated and honest young lady. She has worked very hard in our virtual classroom for 18 weeks. Now, as week number 19, in-person learning, has begun, she continues to be focused on any task given to her. She is always respectful and kind to our staff and her classmates. Her caring ways are a wonderful example for all of us. Congratulations to Ellie Kern. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Wallace's third grade classroom. Even though this has been an unusual year with part-time face-to-face learning, then going all virtual, this young lady has shown amazing levels of honesty and integrity through it all. If she forgot her work, she was always upfront about it by telling me right away. By her honest actions and kindness towards others, I could tell she was trustworthy. She consistently does the right thing each day and shows she knows the importance of being loyal, fair, and sincere. Congratulations to Peyton McCann on being our STAR student. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Warden's third grade classroom. Integrity is telling myself the truth, and honesty is telling the truth to other people. A quote by Spencer Johnson. I had no doubt in my mind who I was going to nominate this month for honesty and integrity. This student has been honest with her schoolwork by admitting mistakes and owning up to them. She tells the truth even when it's difficult. She is the kind of person I can always depend on because of how honest she is. It's never easy owning our mistakes, but it's important for others to know we can be trusted and counted on in life. So this month, I am nominating Clara Bruce for my STAR student this month. You keep shining brightly, kiddo. Our next STAR student is from Mr. Ball's fourth grade classroom. Our STAR student this month is someone who works hard on her assignments and always finishes them on time. She's honest about when she doesn't understand something and isn't afraid to ask questions. She demonstrates integrity by doing what she is supposed to be doing, even if no one is watching. She can be counted on to follow expectations throughout the building. When we were learning virtually, she was always one of the first students to complete her online assignments and would regularly attend Google Meets to be sure she was aware of what was going on and what was expected of her that week. Her classmates noticed the traits of honesty and integrity in her as well, as they voted for her to receive this award. Keep up the great work. Congratulations to Lexi Bomarito. Our next star student is from Mrs. Bush's fourth grade classroom. Honesty and integrity are absolutely essential for success in all areas of life. The really good news is that anyone can develop both honesty and integrity. That's that same quote by Zig Ziglar that I said earlier. Room 110 star student for the month of January shows honesty and integrity. I know I can count on this student to do what is right even when no one else is around. During our virtual learning, this student would let me know ahead of time when she was not going to be home and would make sure to inform me that she would complete her work the next day. Since beginning in-person learning, our star student has helped another student to the bus after school and has helped another friend with getting their hot lunch for the first time. She is a person you can trust and count on to set a good example for others. Thank you for your leadership and positive attitude. You've got what it takes to be known as a star student at Shaw Elementary. Congratulations to Brooklyn Wilson. Our next star student is from Ms. Forbing and Mr. Spencer's fourth grade classroom. Integrity means doing the right thing even when it is hard to do or no one is looking. During virtual learning, that meant completing your work, which could be hard to do, checking in with your teacher, and asking questions when you needed help. This student did a great job at all of these things. He consistently completed his work, he asked questions, and he did his best, even though it was tough. Since we have returned to school, he has been on task and following expectations. We are so proud of you, kiddo. Keep up the great, but sometimes tough work. You are a great example. Congratulations to Jace Arquette. Our next star student is from Mrs. K's fourth grade classroom. Our star student was not only chosen by me, but her classmates as well. She is honest about what she knows and needs help on, and is always on top of getting her work completed to the best of her ability. She is willing to have her own opinion and help others. She is very good at keeping her word. If she says she is going to do something, she does. Congratulations to 204 star student for the month of January, Abigail Melton. Our next star student is from Ms. Kuntz's fourth grade classroom. Integrity can be explained as doing the right thing when nobody's watching. This is especially true in a virtual classroom. The student I have chosen for the month of January tries to do this every day. When others might be asking what they should do after finishing their work, this student has already started the next thing and is diligent about completing their work and trying to do their best. They put a lot of effort into doing our projects and have even told me about teaching the adults in their house some of the things they are learning. Because of these examples and so much more, I am happy to nominate this student for our January Superstar. Congratulations to Tanner Raby. Our next star student is from Mrs. Burns' fifth grade classroom. Be true to your work, your word, and your friend. A quote by Henry David Thoreau. This quote came to mind when thinking about this student. This student is always honest with me and her friends. If she forgets to bring back or doesn't do her homework, she is always honest with me about it, even if it might have a negative consequence. Her friends tell me that if she makes a mistake or does something wrong, she is quick to own up to it. She always admits to her mistakes and tells the truth, no matter what. I know I can always count on you to be honest, and I really appreciate that. We are proud to have you as part of our Room 205 family. Congratulations to Kaylee Morad. Our next star student is from Mrs. Gill's fifth grade classroom. I must admit this was a tough month to choose just one student, so I let the class make the decision, and they did a fine job. Our star was chosen with comments such as, she does not lie and does what she is supposed to. She is a nice person who follows the rules. She is someone you can trust. She is a good student who is nice to everyone. With virtual learning, I have noticed she never gave an excuse for not having work done. She accepted responsibility, being upfront and honest, saying things such as, I know I didn't get it done on time, but I will get it done now. Thomas Jefferson once said, honesty is the first chapter in the Book of Wisdom. Based on what her classmates have said and on what I have seen, our star's Book of Wisdom could be a great resource for those around her. Congratulations. Your honesty and integrity have not gone unnoticed. Keep up the great work. Great job to Maya Gordon. Our next star student is from Ms. Nichols' fifth grade classroom. This month it was a little challenging to choose a student who showed honesty and integrity because most of it was spent working from home. However, I feel confident that my choice for star student worked hard to do the right thing when it came to her schoolwork, even during virtual learning. When I checked her work online, I could tell the student did her own assignments. On occasion, she would tell me if someone helped her with the concept, but I could see that the final work was her own. She was also honest about needing help with her work. coming to Google Meets and working with me to understand assignments or skills. Instead of avoiding getting online or pretending she was following along when skills got complicated, she showed me where she was stuck and listened carefully when I helped her. If she didn't understand what I was saying, she was honest about it so I could explain it in a different way. Therefore, this month, I am nominating as our star student, Avery Stefanowski. Our next star student is from Ms. Schauger's 5th grade classroom. The student I am nominating for January Star Student in the theme of honesty and integrity is a great communicator. He always asks questions when he doesn't understand and tells me when he is unable to attend one of our meets. He makes sure his work is done on time and emails me with any questions or concerns he has about assignments. He is a joy to have in class. For these reasons and more, I am proud to nominate as our star student for the month of January, Wesley Urchik. Congratulations, Wesley. Keep up the great work. And our final star student for the month of January is from Mrs. Torma's 5th grade classroom. The student that I have nominated, I have been able to count on all year to do the right thing. He not only completes his work on time, but takes his time and makes sure his work is of good quality. When I have mentioned something on an assignment that could have been better, he takes the time to fix it. I know that I could also count on him on being on time to his individual Google Meets. He is a hard worker, willing to put forth the effort to make virtual learning a positive experience. That is why I am nominating as our star student for the month of January, Joshua Walsh. Congratulations. Our star students will receive packets in the mail or from their teacher with a copy of their nomination, a certificate, and some other fun surprises. We ask our virtual star students to email a picture to their teacher so that we can post them on our star student bulletin board. We will take pictures of our students who are learning in person here at school and get them up on the bulletin board. Our February character trait is safety and sportsmanship. We'll be looking for students to go above and beyond in demonstrating safety and sportsmanship in the month of February. It is important for all students to feel safe when they are at school and learning at home, and we will be looking for students who make safe choices online and at school. This could be through picking up things they find on the floor that could make it unsafe, pushing in chairs or other acts to make sure there are no hazards that can affect others. It could be through following all of the technology expectations to be safe in their online learning experience. Students will demonstrate safety by following all of our school expectations, as well as reporting unsafe and uncaring behaviors of others and standing up for anyone who may need it. Sportsmanship is a key trait in demonstrating safety. Students demonstrate sportsmanship by following the rules, encouraging others, having a good attitude, and always trying their best. We will be looking for students who go above and beyond in demonstrating safety and sportsmanship for the month of February. We thank you all for all that you do to make Shaw a safe and fun learning environment. Congratulations to all of our star students. We are happy to have this chance to recognize you. Keep up the great work, everyone.